Deep beneath the surface, witness the immense power of the colossal TBM cutter head, carving perfect tunnels. Colossal synchronized hydraulics provide the relentless pushing power, driving the entire factory through solid rock.
Excavated rock and earth are instantly and flawlessly whisked away on high-speed conveyor systems. Giant robotic arms flawlessly lift and lock massive concrete segments, instantly forming the perfect tunnel wall.
Giant robotic arms flawlessly lift and lock massive concrete segments, instantly forming the perfect tunnel wall.
Synchronized high-speed drill rigs instantly bore complex, flawless patterns into solid rock for precise blasting. Automated spray arms flawlessly apply protective shotcrete, instantly sealing and solidifying the blasted rock face.
Precise robotic arms instantly drill, glue, and lock long rock bolts, ensuring the structural integrity of the deep earth. Specialized trenching machines instantly cut perfect, symmetrical channels into the rock floor for essential utility infrastructure.
Witness raw power as massive crushers instantly pulverize rock into a continuous, uniform stream of perfectly sized aggregate.
Witness robotic arms flawlessly deploy heavy steel mesh, instantly creating a strong, protective net for the tunnel structure.
Witness high-speed vibratory screens flawlessly sort excavated rock, creating perfectly uniform streams of high-grade aggregate.
Specialized pavers instantly and flawlessly extrude a continuous, symmetrical, perfect concrete roadway deep inside the tunnel.
Witness the fierce power of the road header, carving massive, precise, symmetrical caverns from solid rock.
Watch high-speed automation flawlessly unspool colossal cables and hoses, ensuring continuous power deep underground. Watch automated grinders instantly restore rail lines to a perfect, flawless profile for smooth underground transit.
Witness high-security automation flawlessly dose and seal explosive material into precise, uniform bags for deep earth blasting. Witness the relentless power of the longwall shearer, carving continuous, massive slices of material from the deep earth. Watch robotic sprayers flawlessly apply a uniform, protective coating, instantly fireproofing and sealing the underground passage. Watch colossal LHDs instantly scoop and lift tons of rock, flawlessly clearing the deep earth excavation face. Watch high-strength concrete flawlessly fill precision steel molds, ensuring every tunnel segment is perfect and rigid. Giant submersible pumps are flawlessly lowered, instantly moving massive volumes of water from the deepest tunnel sections.
Automated overhead chutes instantly dump colossal volumes of rock, flawlessly filling massive haul trucks for high-speed transport. Giant slip-form pavers instantly extrude a continuous, symmetrical concrete road, creating perfect, seamless utility surfaces.
Watch high-speed automation instantly cut and bend thick steel rebar into perfect, symmetrical rings for reinforcement. Watch the continuous miners' massive drums instantly shear and scoop material, creating a relentless, non-stop flow of extraction.
Watch automated systems instantly snap new modular conveyor sections into place, endlessly extending the material flow.
Witness the flawless reveal as automated systems demold a massive concrete segment, pristine and perfectly cured.
Colossal synchronized fans instantly move massive volumes of air, ensuring a perfectly ventilated environment deep underground. Watch robotic arms instantly and flawlessly weld massive steel supports, fusing structural components with powerful precision.
Colossal automated systems flawlessly lift and index massive tunnel segments, ensuring perfect organization for deployment. Witness colossal hydraulic power instantly crimp metal mesh onto rock bolts, creating high-strength structural anchors. Colossal winding machines flawlessly lift tons of ore from deep vertical shafts, ensuring rapid, non-stop output.
Of specialized, automated floor coating vehicle moving slowly along a section of the tunnel floor/roadway. Nozzles Watch robotic precision instantly resurface colossal TBM cutter discs, ensuring the perfect, relentless cut.
Witness colossal, high-pressure slurry pumps flawlessly force excavated earth and rock out of the deepest tunnel sections. Watch automated systems flawlessly install continuous, symmetrical lines of electrical conduit, powering the deep earth network. Watch high-pressure chemical grouting instantly seal and flawlessly solidify fractured rock formations for ultimate safety.
Witness complex ore flotation systems flawlessly separate valuable minerals through mesmerizing, synchronized, bubbling foam. Witness colossal horizontal boring machines flawlessly drilling perfect cross passages with relentless, synchronized power. Watch automated systems flawlessly weld massive steel duct sections, instantly creating perfect, continuous ventilation arteries. Watch synchronized robotic sprayers flawlessly coat massive steel, instantly applying perfect, protective fire-retardant paint. High-strength concrete flawlessly fills precision molds, instantly creating perfect, uniform access panels for tunnel utilities. Witness colossal automation flawlessly twisting immense steel strands, instantly creating the highest-strength mine hoisting cables.
Colossal automated handlers flawlessly lift and seat giant mining tires, ensuring rapid maintenance of the vehicle fleet.
Watch high-speed CNC cutters flawlessly fabricate perfect, symmetrical flanges for rapid, seamless duct connections.
Colossal, synchronized hydraulic jacks flawlessly push massive concrete structures with silent, relentless, overwhelming force.
Watch high-strength concrete flawlessly fill precision molds, instantly creating perfect, symmetrical rail tie beams for tunnel tracks.
Watch high-precision diamond cutters instantly mill concrete, creating a perfectly flat, symmetrical, and flawless finished surface.
Specialized slip formers instantly extrude a continuous, symmetrical concrete divider wall, flawlessly separating tunnel traffic flows.
High-speed laser scanners instantly verify the tunnel's perfect, symmetrical profile, ensuring flawless dimensional accuracy. Witness giant screw conveyors flawlessly push dense bulk material, instantly ensuring continuous, contained flow for processing.
Precise automated cutters instantly carve perfect, symmetrical drainage sumps, flawlessly managing water deep inside the tunnel.
High-pressure air instantly propels delicate fiber optic cables, flawlessly extending high-speed communication deep underground. Robotic sprayers flawlessly apply a uniform, reflective coating, instantly maximizing light and efficiency deep underground.
Automated gantry systems flawlessly install prefabricated utility racks, instantly assembling complex infrastructure. Witness giant auger boring machines flawlessly drilling and casing short utility lines with powerful, synchronized precision. From raw earth to flawless infrastructure, the power of synchronized engineering, perfected beneath our feet.
Centralized control rooms flawlessly monitor and synchronize every system, ensuring non-stop, perfect deep earth operation.
Automated rigs instantly press and bolt steel mesh, flawlessly securing the newly excavated rock face with speed and precision. Colossal, synchronized airlock doors instantly swing open, flawlessly regulating pressure and access deep underground.
Specialized slip formers instantly extrude continuous, symmetrical concrete barriers, flawlessly guiding vehicles deep underground.